are so many things about the Sea Pantry that I've begun to get excited about, and I have been waiting for this box to come. Let me show you this, because this is Blue Evolution, which I know they have all kinds of goodies in here for me, but here is a thank you card from them, and it says, Blue Evolution is a small band of seaweed geeks, foodies, parents, scientists, and ocean-loving explorers who are on a mission to connect consumers like you to the oceans through an extraordinary crop, seaweed. They actually get seaweed that's farmed between Baja California and Alaska, and they have this unique processing capability that turns that seaweed into the most beautiful pastas. Now, you know, I think about this and I think of all of the deliciousness, but the empty carbohydrates from regular pasta. And now, all of a sudden, we have a way to not only eat something that's essentially like a nutraceutical with all of these amazing vitamins and minerals from the sea, but we also have a way to regenerate our oceans. So let me tell you something. We all should be seaweed geeks, and Blue Evolution is the way to do it. You can cook this pasta just as you would a normal pasta, but what I would recommend is just like the Italians, where we say that you cook a pasta al dente and the water should be salty like the sea, because you're going to get these vegetative notes from this delicious pasta, but I love it when it's balanced with something that has a little bit of acid and that I can taste the salt that's in the water. So bring the water to a boil, salt it until it tastes like when you've gone swimming in the ocean, and then add the pasta and cook it until it's al dente, just stirring it a little bit so it doesn't stick on the bottom of the pan. Now take a look. I have a beautiful linguine, the rotini and the penne, along with this clam sauce over it that of course is a sustainable clam that we're going to talk about from Bar Harbor that is MSC certified, beautiful clams from Maine, these sea clams paired with the beautiful Blue Evolution pasta. If that doesn't all belong in your sea pantry, I don't know what else will.